Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment and Antonio Nurri from Nurri Espresso from Naples visiting us here.
Hello.
And we are going to show you how to make a great espresso using the Quaymar grinder with Nurri's Napolitano blend, 100%. We don't currently carry this coffee. It may change in the future, I can't guarantee it. But we are going to use his Nurri dual boiler espresso machine with optional flow pump pressure profiling, not flow control, and we're going to show you the great espresso that it can make. Make sure the machine warms up properly. The temperatures are right up here for the group head, the steam boiler, and the coffee boiler. And make sure that your portafilter is piping hot, that you can't keep your hand on it, because if you can, it's not hot enough. So we're going to go ahead and make an espresso. Let's get this grinder going. This is the M80 by Quaymar, very good grinder, but it is stepped, which is fine because you'll see how this coffee just smells very, very good.
This would be very good coffee.
As you know, I like to overdose a little bit, but I'll knock some of that out here on the counter. Okay, we take our leveler. Level. Sometimes I just like to level the coffee, but here I'm going to tamp. And as you know, I like to have the rim of the tamper to the rim of the basket and twist for a quick polish. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. Let's lock this in here. Get the two hot cups underneath. As you can see, there's not much of a drop, so a riser is not needed.
Yeah.
And please.
Grazie. Okay, so this is the on-off switch for the pump, of course. And so you just simply turn it a little bit. You hear the pump starting.
And there's a timer right here.
And the timer, yeah, it goes on. So it was pretty
good.
Much coffee inside the portafilter. But still, you can see the pressure of the pump here on top of the group head.
All right, so we're almost at 20 seconds and I don't see any coffee coming out.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means that too much coffee or too fine, or both.
Or both.
Guess this will be a pretty over-extracted espresso, and probably, I guess, a bit too strong. It comes out pretty good, but I think it will be
Let's see how it
comes
comes out, because we can compare it to the lever machine.
Yeah.
So we're at about 48 seconds. So we didn't change the grind fineness. If you see the other video on the lever machine.
Yes. Actually,
okay, so we're about 60, 58 seconds, 60. Yeah. Let's see how this tastes compared to the lever, because on the lever machine at 60 seconds was phenomenal.
Yeah, it was 55 seconds, yeah.
So a lot less volume here. Smell is pretty good.
It does smell really over-extracted, but I think it is. And I think you put more than 20 grams of...
Absolutely, I put more than 20 grams, yes.
Well, it's pretty, strong. It's not that bitter anyway. It's not that, unpleasant in mouth. But I would say it's a bit over-extracted, not that much. So it's drinkable. It's drinkable.
For me, that was drinkable. Not as good as the lever, but okay. On the gauge here, it was only going to 8. So if we had the knob here, we could have brought up to 9, 10.
Adjust, yeah.
And what is the OPV supposed to cut out at?
12.
At 12. So you can basically go up to 12 bar.
You can.
And save the shot with the knob on the side here.
Yeah.
So that is the capability. If we had the panels and the knob, that is an option. And like I said, this is the prototype that we brought in. So we're looking to bring it in with the manual pressure profiling. As well, I believe that we're going to have the direct plumb kit, so you can have that readily available, because I think it's going to be maybe a little difficult for you to change it there at home, in the office, or a commercial environment, even including for catering, because this machine, I think, can do a very, very good job for catering. It's nice and small, compact. It will show very, very well.
And you can get it, optionally plumbed in.
Right. Yeah. Right. And you can do right on a cart, which I believe is very good.
On the side, sorry, you have a tap to empty the boilers, so you can, clean your boiler.
Is that for both boilers or one boiler?
It will be for both boilers. Here you have in front of the machine, you have the hose, and then you just clean the boilers here, and then you let the
so you can drain the boilers for catering?
Yes.
Wow, that's a good feature, especially in a cold environment.
Yes.
And you can make really good espresso too.
Of course.
That's the most important thing. Anything else?
That's it.
I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you very much.
My pleasure, Jim.
And once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channels on social media and as well as Nurri's social media channels, because there's a lot to learn. And not only subscribe, but share to show that you care with your friends, families, and neighbors. And as I always say, coffee first, everything else second. Take care.
Ciao.